In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to remove saved cards from your Target account. Let's get started. First, launch your Target app. Make sure you have logged into your account. Now head over to the My Targets page. Now click on the settings icon given at the top right. Once you're over here, different options will appear. Scroll and navigate to the option Payment Cards. You will see a list of the cards saved to your account. Select the card you want to remove, then tap or click Edit or Remove Card. If prompted, confirm that you want to delete the card from your account. Once confirmed, the card will be removed and will no longer be available as your saved payment for future purchases. If the card is set as your default payment method, you may need to choose another saved card as the default or add a new payment method before you can remove it. After removing the card, review your saved payment methods to make sure the card has been deleted successfully. And that's it. That's how you can easily remove saved cards from your Target account. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.